Hello again and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, a warm welcome to you as well. In this video, we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us: healing cracked heels overnight. Cracked heels can be more than just a nuisance. They can be a sign of dry, neglected skin or even an underlying health issue. But don't worry, there are simple, effective ways to soothe and heal those cracks quickly. Taking care of your heels is not just about comfort. It's about feeling confident and ensuring your feet stay healthy. Plus, soft, smooth heels are a treat for your overall health. So stay tuned as we explore some amazing tips and tricks to get your heels back to their best, fast. Thanks for tuning in, and let's get started. Ever wondered if you could heal cracked heels overnight with a simple, do-it-yourself natural remedy? If you have, then this will definitely help. Imagine waking up to smoother, softer feet without spending a fortune on over-the-counter creams and expensive prescriptions. I hope you consider trying this quick and effective home solution. Discover the secret to happy heels. Discover the secret to healing cracked heels overnight. Cracked heels are not just a cosmetic concern, they can lead to pain, discomfort, and even serious infections if left untreated. Taking care of your feet is crucial for overall foot health and comfort. Neglecting cracked heels can worsen the condition over time, making it harder to treat in the future. But fear not, as we have a surprising remedy that can help you heal cracked heels overnight. This remedy is not only effective but also simple and natural, making it a perfect solution for those looking for quick results without harsh chemicals. By using this remedy, you can say goodbye to cracked heels and hello to smooth, soft feet in no time. Stay tuned to learn more about this game-changing solution. So, what are the things that you'll need for soothing achy, sore, dry, cracked heels, you ask? Don't worry, I got you. To start your journey to healing cracked heels overnight, you'll need to gather a few key ingredients and tools. Begin by preparing a basin filled with warm water, Epsom salt for its soothing properties, and a few drops of essential oil for added relaxation and fragrance. Next, make sure you have a pumice stone or foot file on hand for gentle exfoliation to remove dead skin and calluses. This step is crucial for allowing the moisturizing ingredients to penetrate deeply into the skin. Lastly, gather your moisturizing ingredients such as coconut oil, shea butter, or aloe vera gel. These natural ingredients will help hydrate and nourish your skin, promoting healing and softening of your cracked heels. With these essentials in place, you're ready to begin your healing process. Step 2. Soak and exfoliate your feet for healing cracked heels. Now that you have gathered your ingredients and tools, it's time to pamper your feet with a soothing soak and gentle exfoliation. Begin by soaking your feet in the warm water mixture containing Epsom salt and essential oil for 15 to 20 minutes. This will help soften the skin, making it easier to remove dead skin cells and calluses. After soaking, gently scrub your heels with the pumice stone or foot file to exfoliate and smooth the skin surface. Pay special attention to areas with cracks, focusing on gently removing rough patches to reveal softer, healthier skin underneath. By incorporating this step into your routine, you are taking a crucial step towards healing your cracked heels and achieving smoother, more comfortable feet. Step 3. Apply the surprising healing remedy for cracked heels. Now that your feet are prepped and exfoliated, it's time to apply the surprising healing remedy that will work wonders overnight. In a bowl, mix equal parts of honey and apple cider vinegar to create a potent and nourishing mixture. Generously apply the mixture to your cracked heels, ensuring full coverage of the affected areas. The combination of honey and apple cider vinegar will help soothe, moisturize, and promote healing of your cracked heels. Allow the remedy to sit on your skin overnight for maximum absorption and effectiveness. To boost moisturization, sleep with a pair of socks on to enhance the process. This overnight treatment will work its magic while you sleep, leaving you with softer, smoother heels by morning. Embrace this natural and simple remedy to say goodbye to cracked heels and hello to healthy, happy feet. Step 4. Enhance healing with moisturization for cracked heels. After a restful night with the healing remedy, it's time to enhance the healing process by moisturizing your cracked heels. Start by rinsing off the honey and apple cider vinegar mixture in the morning, patting your feet dry gently with a towel. Next, apply a generous amount of moisturizer such as coconut oil or shea butter to your heels. These natural moisturizers will lock in moisture, nourish the skin, and promote healing. For an added boost of hydration, once again, cover your feet with socks after applying the moisturizer. This will create a barrier that helps the moisturizer penetrate deeply into the skin, leaving your heels feeling soft and smooth. By incorporating this step into your routine, you are taking proactive measures to ensure your cracked heels heal effectively and stay moisturized for long-lasting comfort. Step 5. Protect and maintain foot health for lasting results. To ensure your cracked heels heal completely and maintain foot health, it's essential to take proactive steps to protect and care for your feet. Start by avoiding walking barefoot, as this can lead to further cracking and damage to your heels. Opt for supportive footwear to provide cushioning and protection. Consider using cushioned insoles in your shoes to reduce pressure on your heels. These insoles can help distribute weight evenly and alleviate strain on your feet. For ongoing foot care, make it a habit to repeat the healing remedy and moisturization regularly. Consistent care and maintenance will help keep your feet soft, smooth, and healthy in the long run. By following these simple steps, you can protect your foot health and enjoy lasting results. Step 6. Monitor progress and adjust for optimal healing. As you embark on your journey to heal cracked heels, it's crucial to monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed for optimal results. Take time each day to check the condition of your heels to track improvements and gauge the effectiveness of your healing routine. If you find that the cracking persists or worsens despite your efforts, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional for expert advice and guidance. They can provide personalized recommendations and treatments to address any underlying issues causing the cracked heels. Additionally, be mindful of your skin's sensitivity and response to the remedy and moisturization. Modify the ingredients or routine as necessary to ensure it suits your individual needs and promotes healing without causing irritation. By staying vigilant and adaptable, you can achieve healthy, happy feet in no time. Conclusion. Take action to heal your cracked heels overnight. Healing your cracked heels overnight is achievable with the surprising remedy and simple steps outlined in this guide. To recap, start by gathering the necessary ingredients and tools, soak and exfoliate your feet, apply the healing remedy, enhance the healing process with moisturization, protect foot health, and monitor progress for optimal results. We encourage you to take action and try out this effective remedy for yourself. Taking care of your cracked heels isn't just about comfort. It's about your overall health and vitality. Healthy heels mean you can stay active, avoid infections, and feel confident in your own skin. Remember, a little daily care goes a long way, so keep moisturizing, exfoliating, and pampering your feet. They carry you through life after all. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthy, vibrant life. Share your results and experiences in the comments below to inspire others on their healing journey. Embrace the power of natural healing and say goodbye to cracked heels for good. Thank you so much for watching and staying to the end. Until next time, take care and stay safe. Bye for now.